Today we're making lasagna, and first we always cook our noodles. Even if the package says it's optional, it's not. Those packages are incorrect. Always boil your noodles. Okay, and then after you've drained your noodles, you're gonna let them cool off so then you don't burn your fingers. Take your pan, get your cheese, sauce, and hamburger, and we already pre-cooked ours, and so we just had to throw it in the microwave. And then we're going to layer it all together. Sauce, and then noodles, cheese, sauce, hamburger, stuff, all like that. I'll show you how. And then when it's all put together, you throw it into the oven for an hour. And if you forgot what temperature to put it at and your mom's not home, well then ask your dad. Dad!